have been trying to compost for over a year, so we piled it nicely back there, but the chickens mess it up. So in today's video, we're going to build a container so the chickens can't mess it up.
But first, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead-related videos. So, we've moved the bales down here because that's what we're building with. So now we're going to start building. This is it for now. We will add another layer in the near future, but we don't have enough bales for now.
This is a pretty good design because once these break down, they'll also become compost. So if they last another year, it will still be our compost bin, but if they don't, we'll just get some more bales and make a new one.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video.
If you did, hit the like button and leave a comment.
Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead-related videos.
This is Michael.
And Stephen from Sniping Rhino Ranch.
Signing off.